everybody. This is Kenneth Wong, a Burmese American writer, translator based in San Francisco. The Burmese particle Dawt, also pronounced Dawt, has many different functions, and depending on its placement after the verb, its effect on the sentence changes. In one case, the affirmative and negative use of the same structure give you completely different meanings. That's the lesson for today's episode. First, using it to say something is about to happen or you're about to do something. If you say yata lame, that means the train will come. The verb lame is the future form of lade, to come. So this is a simple, straightforward future statement. Yata lame, the train will come. However, if you say yata ladome, that means the train is about to come. If you say nyaza same, that means you're going to have dinner soon. You'll be having dinner soon. Just like lame, same is a future form of sare, to eat. If you want to say, however, you're about to have dinner, you could say nyaza sarome. So with this formula, you can say things that are about to happen or something you're about to do or somebody is about to do. For example, mo yuarome. It's about to rain. Alo thuarome. I'm about to go to work. With these types of statements, the verb is always in the future form because you're talking about something that hasn't happened yet but will happen soon. Don't say nyaza sarode or yata ladode or mo yuadode. There are circumstances in which you might use this construction, but not to say something is about to happen or when you're about to do something. So you might be thinking, if yata ladome means the train is about to come, then the negative form yata maladobu must be the train is not about to come or the train has not yet come. This may be a valid and logical thinking, but it's not correct, however. In the negative form, yata maladobu, that means the train is no longer coming. It might have been scheduled to arrive, but something has happened, so it's no longer coming. Similarly, if you say nyaza masadobu, you're saying I've changed my mind or I've had something so I'm no longer hungry. I won't be having dinner anymore. I'm not going to have dinner anymore. Treat the negative verb construction with dot in the middle of it as a structure to say something that used to be true is no longer true. Something that was previously set to occur won't occur anymore. Let me give you some more examples. So, mo mayuadobu. That means it was raining a few minutes ago or a few hours ago, but hey, look, the sun is out again and it's no longer raining. Alo matwadobu. That means, well, I was getting ready to go to work, but I don't feel good. I'm going to call in sick, so I'm not going to go to work anymore. Alo matwadobu. But what about alo thwado? Not alo thwado me and not alo matwado bu, but alo thwado. What does that mean? That's the command form. That's what your spouse or your parents might say if they notice you're still in your pajamas sitting in front of the TV and watching Netflix when it's already 10 a.m. on a Monday. They might say, alo thwado. Go to work. Get your butt to work now. It's a command. So, if you want to tell someone to eat dinner, you could say, nyaza saro. Eat your dinner. Here are some other examples of commands in everyday conversation. Ain piando. Go home. Eito. Go to sleep. Tado. Get up. Wake up. Thwado. Go away. Get away. Get lost. Just go. It's important not to mix up the form for about to do with the command form. As in, thwadome. With the subject, it might appear as ကျွန်တော်သွားတော့မယ် I'm about to head out. I'm about to take my leave now. Or သူသွားတော့မယ် He's about to head out. The command form is သွားတော့ သွားတော့ which is roughly speaking, go away, get lost, get yourself gone. You should know that this command form is quite harsh, forceful, so not a polite request really. So be careful when you use it and who you say it to. Now the last function of dot or dot I want to cover is to use it to indicate a switch, a change in tone, a change from what you have been saying before. Let's say a waiter in a tea shop is asking you what you want to order. You might start by responding with the verb you may, the future form of you de, to take. For example, la paye you may, la paye you may. I'll take e. Whether boxy you may. Whether boxy you may. I'll take steamed pork bun. And gang mo mayubu. Gang mo mayubu. I won't take cake. In this instance, for the last part, a Burmese speaker might instinctively say gang mo do mayubu or gang mo do mayudobu. It indicates a change from talking about what you like to order to what you won't be ordering, what you won't be getting. Let me give you another example. If someone asks you about the cities you have traveled to, places you have been to, you might start with ကျွန်တော် Tokyo ရောက်ဘူးတယ် ကျွန်တော် Tokyo ရောက်ဘူးတယ် I've been to Tokyo. San Francisco ရောက်ဘူးတယ် San Francisco ရောက်ဘူးတယ် I've been to San Francisco. Bangkok ရောက်ဘူးတယ် Bangkok ရောက်ဘူးတယ် I've been to Bangkok. Then you might switch and say Paris တော့ မရောက်ဘူးဘူး Paris တော့ မရောက်ဘူးဘူး Now you could simply say Paris မရောက်ဘူးဘူး That's a simple negative statement to indicate you have not been to Paris, you have not visited Paris. But in the Burmese speaker's ears, it would sound much more natural if you say Paris တော့ မရောက်ဘူးဘူး Paris တော့ မရောက်ဘူးဘူး Paris, though, is a city that I haven't been to. However, I have not been to Paris yet. Roughly that kind of sentiment. Well, these are some of the common ways the particle do or do might appear in daily conversations and how you might use it. Try using it with some of the verbs you already know and let me know how it goes. For now, it's the weekend and I have places to go and people to see. So, Kuntiwa on, Janot Thwarome. Please excuse me, I'm about to head out.